This is a 2024 BMW R1250 GS Adventure. This is the big daddy of the adventure bikes. This is the kind of bike you can jump on and ride cross country to the mountains and head up into the mountains, or to Alaska or the tip of South America, and just about anything in between. This bike is in like new condition. It has 5,538 original miles on the odometer. Its next service is due at about 1,400 miles. It comes equipped with the 1250cc water-cooled engine from BMW, the Boxer style, 6-speed transmission. About 136 horse, a little over 100 pounds of torque. Plenty of power to get you down the highway and then up and over the hills. Now the color of this GS Adventure is triple black. Very, very nice color. Very, very well equipped. It has the quick shift. It has the new TFT navigation unit to where you can download maps from all over the world and then Bluetooth them into this system from your phone. Just a super capable adventure bike. Now it's very highly accessorized. We'll start out front here. It has the headlight guard, very important, because I'm sure that having to replace those headlights would be very expensive coming from BMW. Get a rock hit them or something. The stock windshield has been replaced with a PUIG windshield that has a light tint to it. And I've ridden this bike, and this windshield gives you a lot of wind protection. Now the bike came with new Bridgestone street tires, which didn't make a lot of sense to me for an adventure bike, so I replaced them with the Mitas E07 Plus adventure tires, and they've got maybe 200 miles on them, front and rear. It also has the radiator guards, which is a must-have. It has the front fender extension, and what that does is that keeps a lot of the debris off the front of the engine and the rocks out of the skid plate. Very handy. Has the LED driving lights. A real nice option that's been added to this is the Stan's skid plates that go on the engine guard to protect the cylinder heads. If you're out on the rough country and drop it, which is likely to happen if you're out in the boondocks, it just keeps you from punching a hole in the cylinder head and completely disabling the bike. The stock muffler has been replaced. You can't really see it too well, but that's a Vance & Hines Adventure muffler. Has a really, really good sound to it. And also, if you don't like that, I've got the stock muffler that goes to this bike. Get untangled there. It comes with the side panniers that are lockable and detachable. They're all keyed the same with the bike. And the matching top case. And the top case has a little backrest there for your passenger. Now also, with the panniers comes brand new fitted Cathy's bags for your luggage. So when you get to camp or wherever, you can just pull your gear out and carry it with you. Not only in the top case, but the Cathy bags are in each of the side panniers. The stock seat has been replaced with a really nice dual heated Sergeant seat, which is very comfortable. I've ridden on the stock and this one, and I prefer this one. A lot more comfortable. And it is dual heated. 2 key fobs. It has the heated grips. A nice little tank bag has been added. It's a Givey tank bag, and it's very quickly detachable. This little red button here, you can squeeze that and just pop the tank bag right off. You can carry it with you, or you can put it in one of the side panniers. For better riding comfort, Elam handlebar risers have been added, which bring it up almost 2 inches up and 2 inches back to give you a better riding position so you're not leaned over like a sport bike. Of course, it comes standard with the engine guards, adjustable levers. It has the foam grip puppies on here, because the stock grips are very, very small. If you have very big hands, it can kind of cramp you up a little bit. So those foam grip puppies really come in handy, and it does not hinder the heat from the heated grips at all. This is just a super, super adventure bike. Well accessorized. There's really nothing to add to this bike except the destination. There's your navigation unit. And there's your mileage. This has tire pressure monitor also. The info screen here has a lot of information on it, so you know exactly what the bike's doing. And there's your home screen. Now, if you're in the market for an adventure bike, and only the best will do, this is the bike for you. This 24 BMW R1250 GS Adventure is the top of the line adventure bike, and it has all the right accessories on it. Super low mileage, ready to go, ready for your next adventure. For information on how to put this beauty in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. USA.com. Now, our prices are out the door. We don't charge what I call the mystery fees. There's no added dealer fees or dock fees or title fees or prep fees or none of that hooey. Just a good honest price for an incredible low mileage, highly accessorized GS Adventure. Give us a call. Thanks for watching our video.